After last national team, 2008, there was a silence. I didn't notice that somebody were missing about this national team or ice hockey as such. And somewhere then, 2015, there was a silent thought that maybe one day we have our national team again. The crowdfunding campaign was a little bit unexpected. Time to time, I found it's hard for people to just come out and ask for support. And somewhere in the middle, it felt like it's mission impossible. Then it suddenly started to grow again. It was this tiny seed of team spirit that I really want to see growing, and I really hope that we can grow it a big tree and we can bring it on the ice. Next steps for the team building and preparations, 3 more camps this year. For the team building, game is important because in the game, the team is built. The real team spirit is built. The funds that we managed to collect during the crowdfunding really helpful in order to run the camps. We don't have support from the state because we haven't achieved anything yet. We only have a big dream. The crowdfunding money comes in and helps us. The first camp, everybody had to pay themselves in some amount. It was funded also by EST hockey, but partly girls also contributed themselves. For this year camp, this crowdfunding money is like a blessing.
Aitäh!
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 Большое вам спасибо.
Aitäh! Спасибо!
Aitäh!
Thank you, everyone.
Aitäh!
Thank you.
Aitäh!
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 Aitäh!